How to leverage Keypup software process quality dashboard. Welcome to Keypup software quality metrics dashboard tutorial. This versatile and customizable dashboard is your gateway to refining and assessing the quality of your software deliveries, allowing you to delve deep into real-time insights to discern and address the underlying causes of bugs or failures in production. Let's explore each metric. First, let's look at the average PR size. This KPI provides the average lines of code changed over a selected period. This insight helps promote the adoption of DevOps best practices by facilitating work with smaller batches, expediting code reviews, and deployments while mitigating bug risks. Maintaining a reasonable average PR size enables swifter deployments and reduces the potential for errors through manageable units of work. Let's look at the PR review ratio. This KPI calculates the yearly approval ratio of all merged pull requests. This is an audit insight checking that pull requests met their minimum review requirements. Industry standards recommend that pull requests are peer-reviewed to ensure quality deliveries and eliminate functional and security bugs from production code. Let's look at the refactoring ratio. This KPI calculates the ratio of added and deleted lines among all merged pull requests over the past 12 months. This is an indication of how much refactoring is done by the team on an ongoing basis. Refactoring consists of improving the code structure or tidiness while keeping the original functionalities. Thorough code refactoring allows the company to maintain an optimized and sustainable code base while reducing technical debt altogether. Let's look at the bug by severity metric. This chart displays a breakdown of open bugs created over the selected period grouped by severity. This metric is used to draw the line between high-impact and low-priority bugs, rather than assessing the global quality of code. It is best used with the bugs raised recently insight to add some context around the number of recently raised bugs. Let's look at the bugs raised recently insight. This KPI displays the number of bugs raised per month over the selected period. It helps you track the evolution of production defects raised by your team. The insight includes both open and closed bugs. Finally, let's look at the bug lead time for changes insight. This chart calculates the average number of days it takes to resolve bugs, from open to closed, over the selected period. Organizations use this metric to measure their ability to respond to platform and product issues. In conclusion, the quality dashboard is your gateway to refining and optimizing your software development processes. By leveraging this tool, you can proactively identify and address the areas in your processes that need enhancement. It's all about staying a step ahead, continually improving, and ensuring that every aspect of your development process is tuned to deliver unmatched quality. So, delve into this dashboard, sharpen your processes, and elevate your software development journey. If you need assistance to leverage this dashboard or to build your own custom metrics, ping us via the chat or send us an email at support@keypup.io. Our team is more than happy to help you get started.